So this course is all about React, and React is a JavaScript library, and that means we'll be working with JavaScript, right? So I would definitely suggest before you start this course, you already understand at least the basics of JavaScript, how to work with objects, arrays, functions, the DOM, and asynchronous code to fetch data. For example, from an API endpoint. If you don't know this, then definitely check out either my free JavaScript crash course on YouTube or my more in-depth JavaScript masterclass course on Udemy or NetNinja Pro. The link to both of these are going to be attached to this lecture. We're also going to be working a lot with a template and syntax called JSX, which is very, very similar to HTML. And we'll be styling our websites with CSS so that they don't look terrible. So again, I would recommend that you're already comfortable with both of those things, HTML and CSS. And if you need a refresh in either of them, then I've got a complete HTML and CSS crash course on my YouTube channel, plus loads of other free CSS tutorials as well. So I'll leave a link to that course attached to this lecture. Aside from that, if you're comfortable with those three things, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, then you're ready to take on React.